All right, here we go. Up Hidden Canyon. We just came up all that. You can see the switchbacks down there. A little bit of panting back here. This is the easy part. So we'll pause a little bit and I'll come back when we get to the hard part. All right. Looks like we might be coming to some sort of ridge here. Might have kind of a cool view. Oh yeah, very nice. Look at that. So we just hiked up from that valley. And now we have to go over there. I don't know if you can see, but about midway through the screen is the trail going up the side of the rock. All right, we got a little waterfall here. We actually have to hike down the waterfall. It's kind of cool. So far, not too icy. Seems all right. There's a few people braving the cliff's edge. Annalise now coming down the waterfall. And you just got to come across this snowy bank here and then look around here. We'll start going up. All right, so this is not Hidden Canyon, but it's still pretty cool. It's just a little canyon going straight up the mountain here. We're kind of hugging the edge of the cliff. Just came through this beautiful mossy little grove here. And now we are on the famous part of this trail. Hugging the edge of a cliff. Doesn't look too icy right now, looks pretty good. Here we go.
Hello.
How was it? Did you make it all the way up?
No, we got to that part over there. That was a little too,
yeah,
a little too dicey for us.
Well, maybe next time. All right, be careful. Come on. All right. All right, the first set of chains. I'm gonna try to keep the camera in my hand while I climb. Should be pretty cool. Yeah, this is not bad at all so far. So this will be shot with a regular angle lens as opposed to the wide angle lenses that I've seen previous videos shot with, which actually make this look a lot scarier than it is in real life so far. But as you can see, it's a pretty sheer drop off here and beautiful scenery all around. All right, we went through a pretty safe spot. Yeah, there's a lot of icicles. That's one of the many dangers up here. So there's a little bit of ice here, but you can kind of hold the chains. And the main thing you'll notice is that the path kind of slopes outward, which is a little sketchy. Not bad. There's where we parked down there. I don't know if you can see those cars, but that is us. The trail continues upward. All right, I think we have actually already reached Hidden Canyon. Let's cross over this little bit of icy water. And let's see. There we go. And we'll go up here. There's the little stream that the canyon goes through the canyon. And I see the sign. I'm pretty sure this is it. Let's climb up these stairs and find out. And there it is, Hidden Canyon. It's pretty. Doesn't look too exciting, but we made it. So what do you think of the Hidden Canyon Trail after doing it?
Just make it seem like it'd be a lot more difficult than it is. It's pretty chill, gorgeous views. Yes.
Yeah, it's cool.